In this lesson, we'll cover sloping beams. So in the 3D model, we currently have beams drawn from column to column. But let's say you want to slope one of the beams at a higher elevation or point on an existing column. Let's zoom into the left side of the actual structure. Here we have beams connected into two columns. On the column on the left and the column on the right, the beam is connected at the same height. But let's say we want to change the height of the beam on the left. We want it to be higher on the column. To do that, let's simply select the beam on the outside. Once the beam is selected, in the property area on the left, I can change my elevation offsets. Here, I can change the elevation offset to 2800 millimeters. Once I set that, click Apply. This will actually increase that beam's height up 2800 millimeters on the existing column. I can repeat the same process to the beam on the other side. Select the beam, change the end level offset to 2800 millimeters. Now, depending on how the beam was drawn, this may be the start or it may be the end. But in either case, I can change that offset so that way these beams are now sloped from one column to the next. So as a review, in this lesson, we looked at sloping beams. To slope a beam, simply select the beam itself, look at the instance properties of the beam, and then change the value for the offset for one side of the beam or the other. Increasing the offset value will raise the beam, decreasing it will decrease the beam.